Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Do you need some motivation today? Do you feel like you don't have it together? Do you feel like your house is a mess? Do you feel like you can't get your crap together? I think I'm talking about me here. Yeah, I'm talking about me. Yeah, I'm talking about me. I have had a busy couple of days working. I've had projects that have been due, things with the kids. It's been crazy. I'm giving myself 1 hour, not even, but 1 hour to get my kitchen cleaned. So I guess I'm gonna try to make this a power hour, but nail it way before the hour ends. Oh, it's like speed cleaning. I haven't done one of these in a while. Motivation, right? Set a timer, challenge yourself, put on some music, an audiobook, a movie, listen to something to get you going. And that's what I'm doing tonight because I am heading out with a girlfriend and it's just, I need to get out. I need to get out. I'm giving myself 1 hour to get my kitchen cleaned. Would you like to see my kitchen? I know. You guys always say, does your family help you? I feel like you do things on your own. Yes, of course they do. But this, come on, let's just face it. Mom gets the brunt of stuff. So I'm gonna attack it today, get it out of the way, and move on with life. Do you wanna clean with me? Do you have something you've been putting off? I bet you do. Okay, aprons on, let's go.
She comes. Why do I turn into a shoegazer? Wise up, buy her a cup, and just once be a trailblazer. So I do, I even get her two. Well, make sure that she takes it her new friend. Let's meet again. When do I pretend to be cool when my heart is racing? It's 10 seconds of courage. A brief moment of faith, and so with your heart out, go on and on about your money and your fancy cars.
under an hour. So how awesome is that? I started at 5:50 and it's 6:27. Whew. Whew. Okay, my girlfriend is on her way and I am gonna go freshen up and leave. I'm glad Derek came home because I get to see him before I left and smooch on him, so yeah, bonus. So today, I challenge you, any area of your home, set a timer, challenge yourself, put on music, have fun, get whatever you don't wanna do done. I hate doing dishes, I hate it. It's like the worst thing. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. No, Derek, I hate it more. He's like, not as much as me. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're doing awesome, and let me know in the comments below what you're working on today. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.
Toodles!
Toodles.
Toodle, toodle.
We're watching TV. Can you be quiet?